Ichicoro started out as an idea, when I was up in New York with my colleagues, who turned into the ones that moved down with me to open up this little ramen shop. We thought, we're just gonna have fun, bring noodles to Tampa Bay, a little bit different, or a lot different than the area's scene. It's counterintuitive because Florida is a very hot, weathered place, but classically in a lot of Southeast Asian countries where it is equally as hot or hotter, you use soup, hot soup, to cool you down. Our sous chef Ryan, he's an amazing, dedicated, talented individual, really, really into what we do, but really in cooking in general. He was a perfect candidate for something like this, and I think he'll represent us really well. He works and is one of the sous chefs who runs Ichicoro Imoto here in Armature.
I love Japanese culture just to begin with. I'm kind of fascinated with it. So being able to cook Japanese food for a living is like a dream come true. I think it's a really cool opportunity to be able to, first of all, help the community, and second, represent Ichicoro. I've only been with the company for about a year and a half, so it's pretty new to me, but I'm glad I get to be able to help. I mainly started cooking in American cuisine, just like burgers and pub food, kind of. At home, I cook a lot of Korean food because that's just what I like to eat. I grew up also with a lot of Spanish food, so that's what influences my own cooking. There definitely is a lot of authenticity, but a lot of it has a Tampa twist to it. You have a lot more citrus than you would in Japan, but still keeping it relatively traditional with the original flavor profiles and the actual seasonings that go into every dish.
Since we opened the doors, we haven't really looked back, and we're constantly internally pushing ourselves to, be more creative, to do things better, raise the quality, and have fun at the same time.